So today I'm having the honeybee. No, you won't find that name on their menu, but it's what the baristas affectionately call the unique blend that I always order. I love customizing things. We all do. It gives us a voice in curating our life experiences. And student learning is no different. The effects of carefully tailored learning experiences is also impactful in our classrooms. That must be why our partners at Savvas made it super easy to create unique student play. I sit down with Scott Reveal, our Savvas curriculum specialist, to show you step by step how easy it is to create and share playlists in Savvas in today's Coffee Chat. Hello, darling. It's Melissa, your Learning Technologies trainer. Welcome to Coffee Chat, where we gather together and talk about the best resources and practices here for mathematics education in Cincinnati Public Schools. Today, we have another special guest, Mr. Scott Reveal, who is our Savvas specialist. Scott, welcome to Coffee Chat.
Thank you for having me.
So today we are going to talk about playlists, specifically creating and sharing playlists in Savvas. So if you teach 6th through 8th grade or Algebra 1, Algebra 2, or Geometry, you use Savvas or EnVision as curriculum. I'm really excited about this particular topic because I am a Savvas novice. That's why I need Scott. So, Scott, can you start by explaining to us what playlists even are?
So playlist is basically you creating a small folder inside the student's platform so that all of the information and activities that you want to give to the students can be organized into one folder for the students instead of assigning separate individual assignments to each student for each lesson.
Thank you so much. So I am going to give you the floor because I'm here as a learner. I really want to know all about these playlists. So please talk to us about creating and sharing them and how we can use them best in our classrooms.
Okay, so we are going to be creating and sharing some playlists and how we're going to do that inside the EnVision platform. So why would we want to create and share playlists? One reason is if you want to create common assessments throughout your grade level or your team, one person can create them and you can share them. So you can share that workload. Or if you're absent or another teacher is absent and there's a substitute in the room, you can create that playlist and share it with that teacher in that classroom so the substitute can have material for the classes when you are out or to help out another teacher while they are out. So when you want to create a playlist, right, on our home screen, we can click on the right side of the screen where your program is, or you can click under the browse menu and search for your book. But most of your programs should be on the right-hand side of your screen. So you can click on your program. Once you're in your program, pick on whichever topic you are wanting to work on for that classroom. So in this case, in Algebra 1, we'll look at topic 2 for linear equations. Right. Once you are in the topic you're looking at, there are several ways that you can add to a playlist. Right. Some of the screens are here where you can click just straight onto add to the playlist. Or if it doesn't say add to playlist, you can click the more and you'll get that drop down menu and you can add to the playlist in that drop down menu. Or if you want to go into a particular lesson, you can click into a lesson and that will open up all the activities that are in a lesson. And again, in the same format, you can click on add to playlist in any of those activities. Now you can click the add to playlist, or you can click the boxes on the left-hand side And all of those boxes will then be added to your playlist. We will just need to scroll back up to the top and we can click add selected to a playlist. All right, once you add to that playlist, then you can either create a new name for your playlist or add them to an existing playlist that you already created in that drop-down menu. If you create a new name, you will just title your playlist, whatever you want to title it to, and then click the Create Playlist button. All right, once you hit Create Playlist, a pop-up will come up and it'll say that you successfully added and created, all right, that playlist to your library. Now, once you've created the playlist, where is it? All right, how do you access that playlist again? So in the top menu in the My Library, which is also the same place that we have our temperature checks are located, as in your My Library. In the My Content tab, you will see that playlist that we just created, that parallel and perpendicular playlist. If we click on the three dots, right, this is where we can go through and share that playlist. Right, in this same screen, we can also assign the playlist, all right, to our classes. Once you click share, then you can just start typing in names of teachers, all right, that you would like to add to that playlist and share the playlist with them. And you can put in one name, you can put in multiple names. Just after you click on a name, click on their name, and then you can add additional teachers to that playlist. If a playlist was shared with you, then you can click on the Shared With Me under the My Library, and any of those playlists that were shared with you will show up in that screen. Now, keep in mind that if it was shared with you, the person who shared it with you, if they edit it, it will be edited on your playlist. If they delete it, it will be deleted from yours as well. All right, so the owner has all the rights to that playlist that they share with you. If you've shared it, you can go through and edit our playlist. So if you want, after you've created it and shared it, you can still add new teachers to that list. If you click the Include Schools, teachers outside of my school, that will share with teachers that are with outside of your school, but still within our district. Right. So if you want to share with another school, we can click on that box and then that'll open the search menu up to all teachers in our district. Right. And if you want to remove, you can also remove teachers as well.
Thank you so much, Scott, for that step-by-step explanation of how we can create and share playlists in Savvas. I'm sure our teachers are really going to benefit from that, especially in this time where we have students that are on extended absences and we're creating work that they may be doing asynchronously. That is going to be a huge help. Thank you so, so much.
Well, thank you for having me. And any teachers, when you have questions, please reach out. You can reach me through our CPS email or stop by any of our office hours during the week.
Thank you so much for coming and chatting with us as we learn together how to create and share playlists in Savvas. If you're watching us on YouTube, make sure that you press subscribe and also ring that bell so that you can be notified for all of our great content as it comes out. Thank you so much for coming and sharing a cup with us and chatting. Until we meet next time, have a great day.